What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over baby Doge today. As you can see, we did the pullback like we expected, and we have lots of areas of less demand here. All these red areas pretty much indicate less demand. So anyways, we're going to be going over some technicals, and we're going to be going over a big announcement that hasn't been announced yet. So how could that even be possible? But we're going to be going over that today. So definitely hit the like button and subscribe. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm, and leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And if you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and join, and I'll go over any crypto that you all want me to go over. And also, remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of it's financial advice. So yeah, let's get straight to the video though. So the first thing that we got to go over here is pretty much the 24-hour market control. It is showing that we are in control of the bears by 100% in the 24-hour market control. Now we also got to look at the overall crypto market and what that's doing. So looking at the overall crypto market, we're kind of a little bit stagnant right now. We have been going down this whole week. Everything's been going down, and we're supposed to have this whole speech thing with Biden. I don't know if he already did it or not, because I've been at work all day. But this is just to say that there's a lot going on. There's going to be more regulations for crypto and more sanctions. So we may see Bitcoin drop down to 35K, possibly 30K. So if that happens, then you have to expect baby Doge to go down a little bit lower as well. Now, the whole technical analysis we did yesterday pretty much shows that there could be a bullish pattern coming in very soon. And the one I did before that pretty much shows that there's a bull flag possibly coming up for baby Doge. And I'll kind of show that here now. So if we go over to the 4-hour chart, you can see that the bull flag is building up. So we had the same thing going down back here, and then we broke out. Let me take off these indicators. But yeah, we had the same thing back here, and then we broke out. Now we're kind of having the same thing, and we could break out possibly when we get down to about 2.4, maybe even a little bit below 2.4. Like we may break that 2.4 support very briefly and then start to pump. Like way back here, we didn't break the support too much. We went down below the support just a little bit. We had support at the 1400 area, then we went all the way down to about 1330. So I'm thinking maybe it goes to 2.4, maybe a little bit below. But what we know is that 2.4 is definitely a very good support for baby Doge. 2.8 is also pretty good support. But let me go ahead and show you the indicators though, so you can kind of see what we're dealing with here. So the green areas show supply and demand of more demand, red areas supply and demand of less demand. So look at how we're slowly but surely inching inside of the red area here. So we're slowly but surely building up this red area of less demand for baby Doge. So now you've seen a green area pretty much just popped up. So now that we have a green area forming, we'll probably see a little bit of an uptrend here going to the red. But before I was going to say that, I was going to mention that since we're seeing a red area, we are probably going to drop a little bit below this. So yes, we did just now hit that green area, but look, we're right in between this red area of less demand, green area of more demand. So pretty much what you're going to end up seeing is baby Doge pretty much trading between this area before it breaks out down below here. Now, this could happen. I don't know when. I don't know when it could happen, but 2.8 is probably going to come very soon. Well, we already knew that. Like, let's be completely honest. You can see over here in the oscillator, all that selling volume, all that down there is pretty much selling volume. So we're probably going to see baby Doge hit this next area of 2.8. And then if it breaks 2.8, like we already know is going to happen, or possibly happen, I can't be 100% sure about anything. But then over here, you can see this green area is pretty much going to be our next support, 2.4. But yeah, now it's kind of forming a little bit of a red area, and it now says bears in control by 80%. So the bulls 20% trying to bounce back, trying to probably send baby Doge back up to the 3.1 area. But I do believe if we hit 3.1, we'll probably get into rejecting. We'll probably get rejected again. But yeah, right now I'm not too worried about this. Like I said, I'm always ready for a dip inside of the crypto market. We got to be ready for anything. It just always happens. But anyways, look, if baby Doge were to go up, we still have less demand at the 2.930 area, and then a little bit less demand over here around 3.0 above 3.1. So all these red areas pretty much indicate one thing, and that's that baby Doge is probably going to go down along with the rest of the crypto market. We know everything's kind of going down right now. There's like gas prices are going crazy through the roof. It's like 430, like somewhere around there, like where I'm at right now. Like I know gas prices in LA probably like $6 right now. So everything's been going crazy in the whole global economic system. But right now, crypto is probably going to end up taking a drop. That's just something that I feel like is going to happen, especially with these new regulations and sanctions coming for crypto from the government. So anything can happen at this point. And also, we always have to look at Bitcoin. So every single time we do any kind of technical analysis, you always got to look at Bitcoin and look at where Bitcoin is going. So looking at the 15M chart for Bitcoin, I pretty much mentioned like in my previous technical analysis for Bitcoin that it's going to be going all the way down here to about $34,000. So we could probably see Bitcoin going down to 34K soon. I don't know when, but if we look at the 15M chart right here, you're pretty much seeing that this whole red area is less demand. So even though Bitcoin is trading inside of this red area here, it's still less demand. So we're probably going to end up getting rejected somewhere around here, like we're getting rejected now. We're trying to get to 40K, but it's really just getting rejected at 40K. So you'll probably see Bitcoin pulling back here to about 38K. And then this next area of support is all the way down here, about 38K flat, from 38.5 to 38K flat. And then we don't have any more demand in Bitcoin until this area here, and that's about 37K. Now, yes, all that's cool and all, but whenever you look at the 4-hour chart, that's really what we want to look at the long term, because we're inside this for the long term. But when you look at the 4-hour chart and you just kind of let these indicators load because it takes a little while. But looking at this 4-hour chart, you see that the only next area of more demand for Bitcoin is pretty much down here at 35,000. This whole lightly shaded green area doesn't really matter because it's really, really lightly shaded. So it's really not much demand. And what the indicators are pretty much showing us here, we are having our buying pressure coming in because we just kind of got off an oversold area, but it's hardly any buying pressure. So it's probably about to shoot back down, and we'll probably end up seeing 35K Bitcoin because that's where we have more demand at. So it's pretty much showing when we hit 35K Bitcoin, we're probably going to have a whole jump and pump inside of the crypto market. 35K seems to be that sweet spot. When we hit 35K, we just start to pump, with 30,000 being the complete bottom. So that's pretty much what we're seeing here with Bitcoin. But yeah, 35K, probably going to see a pump. And that's probably when Baby Doge will pump as well. So that's why I'm mentioning this Bitcoin technical analysis, because if we were to pump when we hit 35K with Bitcoin, then you better bet that Baby Doge is probably going to hit its area of more demand as well. So let's look at the indicator and we'll just kind of compare them. So pretty much what that shows is when Bitcoin starts to pump, when Bitcoin goes down to 35K, that's when it starts to pump. And then that's when Baby Doge will start to pump. And Baby Doge will probably be at 2,500 when Bitcoin is at 35K. So technically speaking, or hypothetically speaking, around the 2.5, 2.4 area, that's when Baby Doge should start to pump. So, it's a lot of speculation. I know I'm kind of comparing both worlds and showing you what Bitcoin is doing, what Baby Doge is doing. And you know what happened last time inside December? Baby Doge was pumping while Bitcoin was going down. So the opposite can happen. Maybe Baby Doge goes down a little bit more than 2.4. But we do know is that this is what we could look forward to. This is something that we could definitely have happen possibly. Like 2.5 is not too far below from 2.9, so it's not really that much of a drop. And it's just another opportunity to buy the dip. But anyways, this is pretty much all I got for the technicals. I want to go over something else here today. I know it was a lot to kind of take in, but I just had to mention this because it's definitely something you can't ignore. Is like the correlation between Bitcoin and Baby Doge and other cryptos is inevitable. You have to look at both of them. But yeah, anyways, moving on from there, Baby Doge now has 1,453,846 people, almost 1.5 million holders inside Baby Doge. And I'll go over all this stuff with the whales. But, we already know about the Simplex thing. We got this huge thing. Well, not too huge because we're already with Simplex. Now you can literally go to the Baby Doge site, and then you can literally buy Baby Doge through Simplex through the site. But you just need a Baby Doge Smart Chain interest. So that's definitely good for us. And then on top of that, Now Payments just now did this. So now you can use Baby Doge as a payment method on Shopify. Shopify is huge. The fact that now we're able to use Baby Doge on that's huge. Merchants can now accept Baby Doge, and purchasers can now buy stuff with Baby Doge. And then over here, you can see President Biden has signed crypto executive order this week as industry faces sanctions. So we're still going to get a lot of different things going on inside the crypto market. Another thing I do want to show, let's go ahead and click the X button on that. Let's go over this. This is something big that someone posted inside of the Baby Doge Reddit group. So big shout out to Diamond Paws 204. I would not know about this if it wasn't for Diamond Paws. So you can tell he's got some diamond paws. So look at this. Debit card and exchange coming soon. So Baby Doge card, the Baby Doge debit card is right here. So this is huge that they already have the website developed. And if you actually go to babydoge.com/pages/babydoge dash debit card, you will see this. You will see this. Or you can just come straight over here to this Reddit post and you can go to the comment and you can click it and then boom. They literally have the page already made. This is actually pretty big. You can even click order now. Obviously, it's not going to order it. If you click any link on this site, it's just going to go right back to the homepage because it's not done yet. But the fact that they made the actual site is just huge. You can interact with the site, all that. You can't do the actual stuff that we're supposed to be able to do on it yet, but the fact that they're making it pretty much shows that they have everything ready and in place. They're probably just making sure everything is secure. This is one of the biggest things. And honestly, I probably should have put this at the beginning of the video. So I'll probably do a whole video on this in itself. But this is just huge. Baby Doge debit card, the exchange, literally what we've been waiting for, the debit card, the wallet, the exchange, all of that in one place, literally exchange, wallet, debit card, all in one place. This is pretty big for us. This is huge. And yeah, I'm just really happy that they have it developed and it looks really interactive. It's a really nice website. Literally, they're going to have this option so you can click the Bitcoin option, the Ethereum one. You can do a lot on this site. I'm already seeing it now. You can just click create wallet and it'll create your wallet for you. So whenever they have everything ready, this is going to be a really nice website. They have the growth baby does right there, 103%. Probably going to send you to like the coin market cap charts when you click that, when they actually make it interactive. And then over here, more than 500K members, they'll probably end up sending you to the Binance Smart Chain site whenever they have all the interactions in here. And then more than 1.7 million donated to Save Dogs, they'll probably bring you to the donation wallet. So there's a lot going on with this website. Literally, they have all this down here: debit card exchange, textbook wallets, and then they have all this other stuff, legal stuff, and they have card fees, all that. So the site is officially made. This is huge. This is really big right now for crypto in general, like for Baby Doge, all that. This is huge. So yeah, big shout out to Diamond Paws 204. Once again, like this is a huge announcement, and none of us would know if this wasn't for you, Diamond Paws. But yeah, this is huge, huge. Like I can't even emphasize how big this is. On top of this, you can now do limit orders on PancakeSwap. So this really helps people who wanted to trade. I would like to do this, but I'm probably not going to do it right now because, you know, the way the crypto market's going, I have to end up doing that later. But yeah, this is really big for everyone, the fact that you can do limit orders now. So that's huge for us. So yeah, big shout out to PancakeSwap for that. Big shout out to also 243 for bringing this to us. Now, that's pretty much all I got for today. I just wanted to go over all that stuff. I do want to show some whales transactions because I always got to go over these whale transactions. So I always go over this wallet right here. And this wallet is just a normal holder. This isn't an exchange or anything like that. But this wallet has been buying more and more Baby Doge. As you can see, they bought 7.15 trillion within the last 24 hours. That's $21,000. And then we have some more whales doing some more things. So over here, 19 trillion sold from this whale wallet, which is $60,000. And actually, if we click over here, we can probably see the how much money they actually have here, 1.5 million. That's a lot inside of Baby Doge. They're not the only ones doing this. They're not the only ones buying more and more selling Baby Doge. There's a lot of whales selling, probably because they know that we're going to hit 2.4. Eventually, they know that we're going to hit that support. But, you know, we still have whales buying, so it's not just like we're having a bunch of selling, but we are having way more selling than buying inside of Baby Doge. And it's just something you got to be aware of, because if you're not, then it could definitely mess up your pockets. But yeah, like I said, the whales are just going to do what's best for the whales. They're going to come in, they're going to buy, and then they're going to sell out. I mean, this whale's got 4 million inside SafeMoon and Elongate and Bitrise, Brise token. You know, this is something really big out there. So definitely check out Brise token. I'm going to be going over Bitrise again. You know, BitGert, like it's a really good coin. So I'm going to be going over that again. But yeah, anyways, this whale's got some money just waiting. They got about 60K inside of Binance pegged USD, BUSD. So they got some money. They're probably waiting for Baby Doge to take a dip before they actually come and start buying more. So they only got $166,000 with Baby Doge. That's still a lot though. So we're probably going to see a lot going on. But anyways, this is pretty much all I got for you all today. I just wanted to go over some technicals. I want to go over some stuff going on inside the Baby Doge army. But yeah, anyways, definitely hit the like button and subscribe. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also definitely become a member of the channel and ask me to go over anything. I'll go over for you immediately. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.